Have you ever said something that was music to someone's ears? This common English idiom can be tricky for beginner learners to understand. Let me share a funny story that shows how this idiom can be misunderstood. My friend Alex once told his boss, "Your decision to give us all a raise is music to my ears." But his boss thought he was literally talking about music and replied, "I'm glad you enjoyed the office radio today." So, what does music to someone's ears actually mean? It's a figurative expression that describes something that is very pleasing or welcome to hear. The origin likely comes from the pleasant, soothing sound of music. Let me show you how to use this idiom correctly. Imagine your boss tells you, "You've been doing an excellent job." A promotion is music to your ears. In this case, the promotion is something the person is very happy to hear about, like beautiful music. Here are some examples of how to use music to someone's ears in different contexts. The news that we exceeded our sales target is music to the CEO's ears. For a struggling artist, hearing that a famous gallery wants to showcase their work is music to their ears. When my daughter told me she got accepted to her dream university, that was music to my ears. The sound of the ocean waves crashing against the shore is music to my ears. Hearing that the company is offering a generous bonus this year is music to the employees' ears. For a social media influencer, seeing their post go viral is music to their ears. As a teacher, hearing my students say they enjoyed the lesson is music to my ears. To help you remember the meaning of music to someone's ears, think of a beautiful symphony playing. The soothing, harmonious sounds are pleasing to the listener. Just like good news or a welcome announcement is pleasing to the recipient. Did you know the origin of this idiom likely dates back to the 16th century? It reflects the cultural value placed on music as a source of pleasure and delight. Here are some similar and opposite idioms to music to someone's ears. Similar, like a dream come true, a welcome sight, a breath of fresh air. Opposite, a sore thumb, a bitter pill to swallow, a thorn in one's side. Related, hit the right note, strike a chord, fall on deaf ears. Let's try using music to someone's ears in a sentence. The news that the company is offering remote work options is music to my ears. Without the idiom, we could say, "The news that the company is offering remote work options is very welcome and pleasing to me." I once had a student who used music to my ears perfectly in a conversation. He was telling me about getting an unexpected scholarship. And he said, "Hearing that I received a full scholarship is music to my ears. I'm so relieved." His use of the idiom really captured his genuine excitement and gratitude. A common mistake is to say "it was music to my ears" instead of "it was music to my ear." This is because the idiom refers to the singular ear, not multiple ears. Another mistake is thinking the idiom means the person literally heard music, when it's actually about something being pleasing to hear. Let's test your understanding of music to someone's ears. 1. What does the idiom music to someone's ears mean? A. The person literally heard music. B. The person found the news or information very pleasing. C. The person enjoys listening to music. Correct answer, B. 2. Which of these expressions is synonymous with music to someone's ears? A. A sore thumb. B. A breath of fresh air. C. A bitter pill to swallow. Correct answer, B. 3. Which of these expressions is opposite to music to someone's ears? A. A bitter pill to swallow. B. A breath of fresh air. C. A welcome sight. Correct answer, A. In summary, Music to someone's ears is a common English idiom that describes something that is very pleasing or welcome to hear. Understanding the meaning and proper usage of this idiom can help you communicate more effectively in English. Now it's your turn. Share a sentence using music to someone's ears in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more English idiom lessons.